Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to get a short-term line of credit or short-term loan, stick tuned to this video on how to complete the application for financing. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. You may get or you may receive an email like this, even if you just only get the application. The checklist of the items that is requested will be listed here. So let's go over the application quickly here. And obviously here, your business name, for your LLC or Inc., or if you're a DBA with the name of your doing business name as, your business telephone number, your street address. If you don't have a physical location, then that would be obviously be your home address. If you have a fax number, most people don't anymore. But the city, state, zip code, and county that your business located, the date of when you establish it. Does the business own a property, yes or no? If so, list that address. Prior names. So maybe recently you changed your name within the last 5 years. Any prior names that business was used, the description of your business. A lot of this stuff is self-explanatory, but I'm going through. You can fast forward if you need to. The company name, a company email address, the form of your business, a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. So you check that. The president, who's write down if you're the president, if you're the vice president, secretary, treasurer, just write the name of those individuals there. All right. So the principals. So whoever is the majority owner of the business, you put your name here, your title, your date of birth, your home address, county, city, state, your personal email address, phone number. Most people's their home phone number is same as their cell phone number. Some people even have a pager number, but the social security number, a driver's license number or letters, and the state of that driver's license. So ideally, we would love this information here if you're married, but we want to make sure that we have any ownership information of the business as 20% or more of the business. Their information has to be on here. If it doesn't fit on here, just fill out. If there's more than two partners in the business, just fill out another application like this. And so similar information there. Your accountant, name of your accountant, telephone number, fax number, name of their firm, street address, city, state, zip code, your attorney, your insurance agent, same information. I deal with like that information. Your tax ID number, that's required. Organization ID number, that's the name from the Secretary of State information that is there. The number of employees, those are people you have W-2. How often do you remit your payroll taxes? Do you do it once a month, once a quarter? Do you have any federal or state taxes due? If that's yes, if answer yes, has that lien been filed? Say yes. If it hasn't been no, then if yes, please explain the list type, quarter, years, and amounts. So, for example, if you do it once a quarter, write that there, once a quarter, and approximately how much that is. And then and write down how often do you remit that information? Do you have any judgments or liens? Right? Yes on right here on, and then just send a separate email or a write-up or something like that. Are you currently in bankruptcy? If the yes, what's the docket number in the court that that is that it is? All right. So the name of your business bank account, your primary business account, when you open it, if you can remember, of course, the account number, the street address, the bank that you opened it, city, state, zip code, name of a banking officer, if you know, definitely their phone number, fax number, if you have it. All right. If you have any loans, the primary business loan, okay, that you have, name it, the financial institution, the account number, street, city address, zip code, telephone number, fax number, how long with the institution, the loan amount, and what collateral is involved. Is it receivables? What it is it? What is it? Your personal account. So for the primary person above here, the personal account name, street address, when it same information from the business account, but just for the personal account, right? All right. What's the purpose of this funds going to be used for, right? All right. Working capital, employees, whatever it is. All right. So put that there. A credit card. How many credit card terminals? Number of credit card terminals that you have, average monthly sales. And so kind of break that down. So like between your cash and check amount and these are on the average monthly, right? Your American Express, Visa, MasterCard, others. So other, I guess that would be like Discover. And then the name of your point of sale system, like who do you actually does your merchant? The desired amount of financing that you want goes here, right here. Have you ever factored or financed before? If you have in the past, with whom? Are you pledging any receivables as collateral? That could be like credit card receivables or anything like that. If yes, who is that? Or if you have a factor company. Any other commercial loans outstanding? So above and beyond here, say yes, please list. And then of course your terminal make and model, the average ticket. Do you do Discover? Yes or no? Diners Club? Yes or no? All right. More so for your B2B client, B2B business, but you name it like your top 4 customers here. So their name, telephone number, the amount of money that you generate with them per month. So this is kind of a hybrid between, in some of you, if your customers are consumers, I don't want your consumers information. Only if you're doing business to business and they're paying you, put that information there. Do you lease your space? Yes or no? What's the period of your lease? Is that a 12-month lease or 2 years, 5 years? The name of your landlord, the address of that city, state, and this is the street address for your city, state of your landlord, right? Your monthly rent amount, the phone number, the fax number, and then did you hear about us? And you put that there, and then you go ahead and sign it and date it, and then print your name here, and then the title of the person who is signing this. And then of course you email this back to us, or you can fax it back to us, or in that email I sent a link where you can upload the information. You can scan it and upload it, kind of like any other cloud-based service. So along that, what you do is you provide either your DBA certificate that you had. So typically, sometimes when you get your SS4 form, which is your IRS EIN number, there'll be a document here where you got that information. And then a lot of times, so that you can, with the Secretary of State, you should get a DBA number with the Secretary of State to save your name of your business so that no one else can use that name. That's typically where you get the DBA along with that. Or your articles of incorporation or articles of organization and your corporate resolution and operating agreement. Your driver's license and social security card, your business license, the last 6 months of your business bank statements, the last 6 months of your credit card statements, a voided check. The voided check is really important so that we can wire the funds to you, right? All right. So if you have any questions on any of these, just email that to us and we will do our best to answer that for you. All right. Well, hey, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And all you have to do is just scan and email and send that back to us, or upload it. Preferably, if you upload it in the cloud-based system that we have provided, then you'll be able to see the application that you completed as well as all the information, instead of us emailing back and forth. Hey, we have this, we don't have that. The more information you have, I mean, the faster you get the information to us, the faster that we can assist you and give you the growth capital that you need to grow your business. All right. Thank you and have a great day.